Hello, hello, hello. Today we're going to be making a lo-fi piano sound like this. If that sounds interesting to you, then please stick around. Let's hop right into it. So I'm going to go in and hide this because I do not need that. And I'll pull up my Serum here. It's a pretty simple sound, pretty straightforward, and hopefully this video will be short for you guys. So let's hop right into it. I'm going to start with a sine wave on oscillator A. I always call it oscillator 1 for some reason. I don't know why, even though it says A right there. Turn that out to about 80 just to sharpen the sound a little bit, because the default is just, it's too siney, you know. Then we'll activate the noise. Actually, we'll stick with the AC hum. I remember I tried a few different noise oscillators with this, and just the regular AC hum was usually the best. So that's gonna be, we're keeping that quiet, just around like 7. We'll do 8% because it's an even number. So that's done. So hop down to envelope here, and we're just gonna bring the decay to about 1 second, and then the release to about 2 seconds. Makes it easy. It's nice and even. So yeah, you can hear it's already sounding pretty lo-fi or something. I don't know. It sounded something. Sounded like a noise. So then we're gonna turn on the filter, and you could just leave it on MG low 12, and we're gonna throw the envelope on there as one does, and yeah, that should about do it for this page. So then we're actually going to hop over to the matrix here, and this is where things get a little spicy. We are going to use the chaos oscillator, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically just an oscillator that is random. You know, it kind of just, it fluctuates, it goes everywhere. It's just a crazy little child, like my nephew. So then we're going to route this to the fine tuning in oscillator 1, and turn that up to about 20, maybe a little more. Let's try 25. I'm feeling spicy today. Yeah, you know, I like that. We're on 25. I actually did 26, but doesn't matter. So essentially what that's doing is just giving it kind of that detuned sound you would find on the old synthesizers, and that's kind of what we're replicating here. So that's that. And I actually forgot, we have to change the type to bipolar to where it goes both directions, so it's not just detuning to one side. So that's done. Then we're going to pull up the velocity and route that to the amplitude. And essentially what that's doing is just making the volume fluctuate more with how hard or how soft you press the keys. So that's all done. KS velocity. So then we hop over to the effects section, and I'm just gonna put on a compressor just to make it a little louder. I'm not touching any of these knobs here, and just an EQ just to get those lows out of here. Turn the gain to about 7.6 dB. Roll off. Just to get out some of those low frequencies. We don't want those. So that's all good. So then we'll throw on a little bit of reverb here. Turn that to about 30%. And lastly, just throw on a filter. Just a low 6 is fine. You can leave it in default position. That'll be fine. And yeah, that's how to make a lo-fi piano sound. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later.